Hey guys, welcome back. Got another exciting video for you today. We are gonna make ruck plates. Now if you don't know what that is, they're just heavy plates that you put inside your backpack for when you go running or walking. Essentially it's just for strength training. And many of you know that I'm applying and working out, trying to get ready for firefighting programs. So I figured this would be a good addition to have. Why go out and buy something when I have a perfectly good steel safe sitting in the backyard still from that previous video? Let's cut that up. So I started this video with a full head of hair, now we're ending it a little balder. So I wanted to take a week before publishing this video and actually put these things to the test. They work pretty well. The only minor issue I had is that they tend to bounce in the bag I was using. So if I upgrade my bag, these will sit a lot tighter and nicer. However, simply just walking with these in the bag, I had no issues whatsoever. It actually didn't kill my back walking the hills, so it was definitely worth making these. The purpose of this video wasn't just to make ruck plates, it was to test my abilities and picking up a new skill. I've had this stick welder for about 3 years and I've always been a little frightened of it. Never had anyone to really show me how, so I watched a couple YouTube videos, gained some confidence, and actually put my skills to the test. Now I really got to practice these skills because they're not the nicest or prettiest welds, but it is my first time, so I'll take it. I did go ahead and practice building out a frame for a table that I'm making for a future video. Now, I still got to make some legs, so let me know in the comments below if you like these welding videos, and we can make a pair of legs together. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.